In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom unable to join this meeting. If you've ever clicked a meeting link and landed in a loop or got blocked at the door, you're not alone. Link redirects can sometimes glitch and fail to pass your login credentials to the Zoom app. The easiest workaround is to join directly from the Zoom app and enter the details yourself. Start by opening your Zoom desktop or mobile app. On the home screen, select Join. Don't rely on the email or calendar link right now. Instead, look at your meeting invitation and manually type the 10 or 11-digit meeting ID. Enter it exactly as shown to avoid typos, and double-check each group of numbers before you proceed. When Zoom prompts you for a passcode, type it in exactly as it appears in the invite. Watch out for any letters, capitalization, or extra spaces you might accidentally add when copying. While you're on this screen, confirm your display name and choose whether you want to join with your camera or audio off, then continue into the meeting. If you still can't get in, Zoom may think you're already connected elsewhere. The platform will block you from joining a new meeting if it detects an active session. Make sure you've completely left or ended any previous meeting windows and that no background instances of Zoom are still running. To be extra safe, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the Zoom app and choose Sign Out. Then sign back in with your usual credentials. This refresh clears server-side session stalls and often resolves stuck unable to join loops within seconds. Another common cause is an outdated Zoom version. Newer meetings often require the latest security protocols, and older apps can't pass those checks. Click your profile picture again to open the menu. Go into Settings, and under the General section, look for Zoom Workplace app. Make sure Update app automatically is turned on. This keeps your client current so you don't run into compatibility or security blocks right before an important call. If an update is available, let it complete, then restart Zoom and try joining again with the meeting ID and passcode. That's it. Open the app, join manually with the meeting ID and passcode, confirm you're not stuck in another meeting, sign out and back in to refresh your session, and ensure automatic updates are enabled so your app stays compliant. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to get into your meeting reliably without running into that frustrating error.